Hey guys, so I have a super quick tutorial for you today. We're going to make a butterfly hair clip that goes along with the butterfly Hashira cosplay from Demon Slayer. So I bought mine off of Amazon a few days ago and I want to do a review on that as well. And I was going to buy the accessories, but I was like, I can make that. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to make the hair clip and then review the cosplay so you can discern whether it's worth buying or not. So let's go. So this is what we're going to be recreating today. This is going for about $10 on Amazon right now, but we're going to make it for under $4 and we're going to keep this as a reference photo. So all you're going to need is Eva foam or crafting foam. You can buy it in like sheets of different colors at Walmart, Joann's, Michael's, whatever you have around you. I personally just always keep this black Eva foam roll at all times because I use it for so many different projects. But anyways, I'm just going to start drawing out the butterfly, tracing it so that it's even, and then cutting it out. And since I am using black, I figured it would be easier just to spray paint it white so that it just has like a nice easy base to paint on, and that's what we're doing next. Now I know that some of you are not artistically inclined, but don't worry, I will be your Bob Ross and I'll help you out. So you're going to pick out two colors that you want to blend together. And this butterfly at the bottom of the wings, it's blue and yellow. So we're going to start out with the blue, add some white in the middle while everything's still wet, and then go in with our secondary color, start at the bottom and then blend in with the white. Super easy. Make sure that you do it fast because you don't want the paint to dry or else it'll be harder to blend. So we're going to paint the back and the front. So I'll show you the blending technique again. So we're starting out with the purple, adding the secondary color, and then putting white in the middle. And I'm not cleaning my brush in the middle of this because it actually makes it a lot easier to blend if you have like a bit of the other color still on your brush. And then we're going to add a purple outline all around the butterfly. And the rest is really simple. As you can see, I pulled up a reference photo on my phone and I'm just copying the lines and the little spots all around the butterfly and we're done. This honestly looks so good, I'm so surprised, and our last step is just hot gluing a hair clip onto the back, and that's it, we're done. So now that you've seen the full cosplay, I want to give a little review on the Amazon costume that I bought. So this is what it looked like in the product photos. So I know that it would be like Asian sizing, so I did size up to a medium. I'm normally a small in US sizes, but this little top was so short, like my bra is sticking out. It was really uncomfortable to wear. It just felt like really tight and not long enough. So I put a black tank top underneath. Like this is a crop top that I would normally wear. You know, it covers my ribs. And I'm just wearing the swimsuit kind of like a vest over it. And it looks fine. Like it covers what it needs to cover, and I feel a lot more secure and comfortable in it. And you can see the little difference between the fabrics, but it's really not a big deal. And it honestly looks really cute if you unzip it a little bit more scandalous, but still cute. And these are the bottoms. I'm normally a fan of like a black high waist bottom. I figure I could use it for something else, but this just looks like a diaper. I really don't like it, and that's probably because of the sizing, but unusable to me. However, this little shawl kimono thing is perfect. It is totally worth the $19 I would pay just for that, and I will be wearing it with just like regular clothes in the future. I love it so much. Alright guys, I know this was a very short video, but I hope you enjoyed it or found some use for it. I also have a lot of other crafting and cosplay videos that you can check out if you're interested. If not, I'll see you next time. Bye!